Today I'm reviewing the HAODE Fashion 3-tier document tray set. This document tray is very sturdy. Takes a few minutes to put it together, but you'll be very pleased with your purchase. These trays are awesome. They come out. They're lightweight for the most part, other than the metal around, and they slide back in really easily. So this is perfect for my classroom, as I'm a high school teacher and always need places to store things, whether it be copies or kids' homework. Let's see how this is all put together. Let's see what came in the box. This tray set includes 3 black trays, and it includes 2 of these sturdy side rail portions that the trays slide into. It includes 3 of these bars that hold them together and 6 screws. So this is really easy to put together. You don't even need a screwdriver. However, you may want to have one handy in order to tighten the screws. These bars actually have threading on the inside to attach to the screws. So let's see how this is all put together. Now for the installation of the bars. So I did one for you so you could see it. The screw is inserted into the hole, and then you take the bar and you put it over the screw and the threads meet up, and then you tighten it. So just make sure that you get it straight, otherwise it won't actually go in nicely. And then tighten it as much as you can, and we're going to put the second one in. We've got the bars in at the bottom, and to let you know, it is a little frustrating if you do not get the bar straight with the screw. It actually gets stuck, and then you'll know if it works nicely because it'll go nice and smoothly in. And then you may want to use a screwdriver of some sort to just tighten the final touches, but for the most part you can get it put together without it. But just to tighten it up so it's better and not so wobbly, you want to use a screwdriver. So now it's pretty good, and I'm ready to put the third and final bar through the top. Let's do it. All right, all 3 bars are in, so ready to slide the trays in. This is a good sturdy frame. The bottoms have little rubber grips on the feet, and I just made sure that all the screws are tightened accordingly. So let's put the trays in and see how it looks as a completed document tray. It is all set up and ready to go. So it holds my handouts nicely, and just something to show you, the tray only slides in one way, and then the other side, it doesn't come out. So if you were to carry them, you'd want to carry them angled with this side down, and then this little bent portion is the front where they slide out from. This is the HAODE Fashion 3 tiers document tray, and definitely recommended. Very sturdy. Just have patience putting it together and you'll be happy. Thank you for listening and watching my video. Have a good rest of the day. Please click like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.